Hey guys, Choco Blago here, back again. So, just want to talk about the money laundering charges against Binance Executive that was dropped. Okay, and it goes back to the several videos I've done on this particular topic, saying that these people have no clue what they are talking about. The fact that you're blaming a single platform for affecting the exchange rate of a country where only less than 10% are involved in crypto. So you can imagine that. But forgetting the fact that there are what is called microeconomic indices that affect exchange rate, and it all boils down to demand and supply. Because if we are a producing nation just like China, okay, and we export, we will be earning in US dollars, which means that there will be enough dollars to go around for any, whether it is personal travel allowance or business travel allowance or school fees, you know, all those small demands or demands for FS by importers. Okay. So, but we don't have a strong dollar supply as a country. Our major dollar supply as a country is the oil. Is oil. Okay, and oil is being fought against by the West. Aside from that, the price is not fixed, so it tends to fluctuate, it tends to go up and come down. And we're already in so much debt that we're using future oil sales to guarantee loans. That's how bad it is. So when someone now avoids looking at those things and comes and start targeting crypto and start blaming Binance, P2P, and start blaming the sports trade, it's clear they don't understand what they're talking about. And for the guy, okay, I'm doing this especially for that guy that did a video and sponsored it on Instagram, blaming P2P as the reason for the dollar issue. That guy is nuts because he doesn't know what he's saying. And these are the guys you should not listen to when it comes to crypto, and also when it comes to economic discussion of of the economy. Okay, because I know that his suggestion was what kind of triggered this attack on Binance, which at the end of the day happens to be a lie, because dollar right now is at 1,700 plus. Okay, that's where dollar is right now. So is this still Binance? Hell no, it's not. But anyway, this is just my thought. So it's best you speak to experts in crypto like me for you to come to that conclusion that the issue of the dollar exchange rate, naira to dollar, has anything to do with crypto at all. It doesn't.